Analyze Performance's finance software for a specific operational decision. Analyzes historical strategy performance metrics including Sharpe ratio, maximum drawdown, and win rate. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. The problem is that finance teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Analyze Performance narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Analyze Performance starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include historical returns, benchmark returns, optional, risk-free rate, period type, and confidence level. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies calculate the annualized return from the historical returns based on the specified period type, e.g., daily, monthly. WATF repeatability standard deviation from the historical returns based on the period type. Repeatability standard deviation, which considers only returns below a target, e.g., risk-free rate or zero for Sortino ratio. For fee, calculate the maximum peak-to-trough decline in cumulative returns over the analysis period. And calculate the Sharpe ratio by subtracting the risk-free rate from the annualized return and dividing by annualized volatility. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how finance teams actually make decisions. Analyze Performance returns structured outputs such as Sharpe ratio, maximum drawdown, annualized return, win rate, and Sharpe ratio gauge. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of Analyze Performance is not just automation. It is a controlled way to turn repeated finance work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.